Yesterday, on the 30th of October 2025, at the Madlala Commission of Inquiry, Witness C said Madlala admitted he gave 500,000 rands to fund suspended Police Minister Senzo Mchunu ANC presidential campaign, covering flights and accommodation for delegates. This payment, Witness C said, was routed via intermediary Brown Mokgosi, not paid directly to Mchunu. Madlala allegedly told investigators he was instructed by suspended Deputy National Commissioner Shadrack Sibiya to leave cash in a bathroom dustbin at Sibiya's office to smooth access to SAPS medical facilities. Madlala claimed to have left 200,000 rands in a dustbin in one occasion. Other reports from hearings say he also gave Sibiya vehicles and a larger sum of money, including alleged 2 million for a land plot. These details were played or read into the commission record. Witness C's account and recordings introduced at the commission include Madlala's claim that he paid sums to Sibiya, in some versions described as monthly payments amounting to large sums, up to 1 million. These are part of what investigators played for the commission. The commission heard that Madlala allegedly paid 80,000 rands to Major General Richard Shibiri, head of the SAPS Organized Crime Unit, a payment which was reportedly returned. The detective testimony and recordings reference to these exchanges. Witness C told the commission that a senior crime intelligence official, Feroz Khan, demanded 2.5 million from Madlala. Madlala allegedly paid 500,000 rands instead. The testimony said Khan visited Madlala's penthouse frequently. In the attempted murder inquiry related to Tebogo Tobejane matter, banking tracing found payments referenced as Medi24 or Medic24, but actually originating from CAT VIP Security Services, Madlala's security firm. Investigators told the commission they believe these payments funded planning and execution of the shooting. This supports the link between Madlala's business activities and alleged crime act. Witness C told the commission Madlala felt used after his 360 million SAPS contract was cancelled in May 2025, despite his payments. They show alleged cash delivery methods, dustbin drops, cash handovers, vehicles that investigators say were used to hide transactions. If these allegations are proven, they point to a systemic corruption and political actors tied by money and favors. With that being said, God bless you and ciao.